Today we uncover the 1901 George Richard E. twin-engined and bring this forgotten machine back to life. The 1901 George's Richard E. twin-engined has slept here under rust, dust and leaves for far too long. It's been buried for decades. The metal is heavily corroded, but the structure might still be salvageable. We need to be careful with this one. All right, there's the lamp. Let's get this wheel uncovered. Well, there it is. Looks like she's been here for a while. You can see the original black paint peeking through here. Needs a lot of work, but look at that patina. Just incredible. All right, hook secured. Start pulling.
Keep it steady now. The wheels are turning. Mind the winch. It's got a good grip. Just a little more. She's moving.
All right, it's finally here. We took our time getting it back, and it looks exactly as I remember. Let's get to work.
Every dirty contour visible. The original grime holds the story of this beauty.
All right, these have been on here for a while.
Okay.
Finally got them. That's heavy.
All right, first one's off. Look at the state of that. All right, and there's the second front wheel. Heavy, but it's off. All right, let's get this lamp off here carefully. All right, slowly now. Carefully does it. Look at that. See this residue? This is original.
The cushion is coming free. Watch the brittle edges. Plenty of dust underneath.
All right, time to see what's underneath. Carefully does it. Wow, look at that buildup. Rust, dirt, everything.
You can see the original bolt heads now. This car's seen some history.
Okay, that's it. Fender's off. See the raw beauty of the original mechanics under here.
All right, just as I thought. Look at these gasket marks. Beautiful. Carefully now. The George Richard, she's finally off. You can see all that original jungle grime on the panels.
Yeah.
It's good to finally see the engines exposed again. You can see here the corrosion has built up deep under the grease. It's going to be a delicate cleaning job.
All right, let's take a look. The George's Richard E. twin-engined, all laid out, dirty but complete. Body panels, fenders, the vintage lamp.
All right, these need to be sorted by size and type.
It's a precise job, but critical for the restoration.
This is it. Every piece laid bare. A complete history of neglect and our canvas for restoration.
All right, let's get into this ingrained dirt here. See that? That's 50 years of road grime. Going to be a lot of foam, mate. All right, final rinse complete. Looking good. Excellent. Ready to dry. All right, time to strip away decades of history on this piece.
Yeah.
There we go. The true details are finally coming through.
Yeah.
Just need to admire this beautiful engineering.
The second layer is perfect. We're ready for the next phase.
You can see the difference immediately. The metal just comes to life. All right, time to uncover the history on this one.
Wow.
This will show every chip and scratch.
Yeah.
Perfect. I'm applying the rust converter now. See the reaction happening instantly. perfect fit. Hold it there.
The George's Richard E., a true veteran.
Yeah.
And filling these pits takes a precise touch.
Nearly perfect. Just a bit more here.
All right, that's a good coat, even and protective.
The primer has settled perfectly. No scratches, no chips, ready for paint. The George's Richard E. twin-engined needs careful masking around these lamp mounts and trim points. The second coat, perfect. It just makes the silhouette sing, doesn't it? SK quality.
All right, adding this second layer of rich orange brown really brings out the warmth and the contours of the George's Richard E. All right, let's bring this beautiful fender back to life. Watch that haze disappear.
Almost there. Just a few more finishing touches needed.
The George Richard engine, a masterpiece covered in a century of grease. We'll use our specialized cleaner to reveal its true beauty.
The George Richard E springs are a tricky bit of engineering. The grease in here is a century old. 100 years of compression, dirt. Exactly, so we got...
All right, that's it. Precision matters with these old wheels. Looking good, boss. Perfect. Ready for the spokes. Perfect. That's the correct pressure. Looks good, boss. Ready for the show.
All right, wheels on. Locking nut goes here. Perfect, she's ready to roll.
The last links are fitted. Excellent. That looks perfect.
All right, perfect. Smooth as silk.
The leather on this George's Richard is a testament to true craftsmanship. It's the details that make the difference. Precision, the key to bringing this beauty back.
Yeah.
Just one more adjustment. Perfect.
Almost there. Just this final adjustment.
Okay, that's seated. Smooth as silk now.
All right, these need to be routed neatly, just like the originals.
Ah, almost there. Just one more little detail. Perfect. Yeah, that's it.
The George Richard E, a true masterpiece of 1901 engineering, finally restored to its former glory.
All right, that one's solid. Looks perfect, Charlie. Just the other side now. Nearly done.
Perfect. She's sitting tight now. The lamp is back in its place, and the spare rack is perfect. This George's Richard is ready.
All right, let's get you back home.
Perfection takes time. Now, this beauty is ready to roll.
If you enjoyed watching the 1901 George Richard E twin-engined return from ruin, stay with us for the next restoration journey. Leave your support below and tell us which forgotten machine should enter the workshop next after the 1901 George Richard E twin-engined.